Okay, so to remove this piece, okay, what we're going to do is we're going to lift up the cushion. Now after, you're going to need somebody to either hold it up or to put something underneath. Okay, now we're going to remove this clip. Okay. So remove pin that's holding what we call the walking beam. Okay, remove that. Remove the walking beam from its position. So, okay, now you're going to hold this up. And what you're going to do is just come in, and we're going to remove this bolt. Okay, and this one. Okay, like so. That's so that you can remove the handle. This handle removed. Remove the other handle, and it's just a matter of replacing the block that's on your table with the one that's been sent, and then put the handles back in, tighten them back up. Okay, this side. So get the holes lined up. Get the bolt started. Get it started. Tighten her up. Put the walking beam back in. Right. So, you put the clip back in. Okay. And she's done. Okay. And just to keep in mind that the newer tables do not have this block that sticks out as a weight. Some of the older tables will have that weight, so it keeps this handle in position. But we find that with the newer design that we had in repositioning, that this is not necessary anymore with the new tables. Okay, but if you have the block, then yes, you will need one with the block on it to keep the handle from moving. Okay, thank you, and hopefully this helps.